Yes, and start. Jaswinder Singh, appellant, is aggrieved by dismissal of his petition for annulment of marriage with Manjeet Kaur, respondent, wide judgment and decree dated March 4, 2015, passed by Family Court, Ambala. Stop. The appellant has preferred this appeal under Section 19 of the Family Courts Act to set aside the impugned judgment and decree and seeks a declaration that his marriage with respondent, which was solemnized on December 12, 1997, be declared a nullity. Stop. Pehra. Briefly stated, the facts pleaded by the appellant husband in his petition are that his marriage with respondent was solemnized on December 12, 1997 according to Sikh rites. Stop. The appellant and respondent cohabited together as husband and wife, and one male child, Darshdeep, was born out of said wedlock on July 6, 1999. Stop. The appellant levelled allegations of maltreatment and cruelty against the respondent. Stop. During the period of 14 years of marriage, they had lived together for a period of 6 months under one roof, and for the last more than 10 years they had been residing separately in separate rooms in the house of the appellant. Stop. The allegations have been levelled against the respondent for not performing the matrimonial duties and causing mental and physical cruelty. Stop. It has been averred in the petition that respondent had deserted the appellant in the same house. Stop. An allegation has been levelled that respondent was already married at the time of marriage with the present appellant with one Ravinder Singh on March 4, 1992 at Chandigarh, but she did not disclose the said fact to the appellant regarding her earlier marriage. Stop. It is further averred in the petition that respondent had played a fraud with the appellant as she was already married with Ravinder Singh, which fact was not disclosed to the appellant as well as to his parents. Stop. It was informed that respondent was youngest daughter of her parents, whereas the respondent was having a younger sister who was also married. Stop. It was further averred that respondent had obtained divorce from her earlier husband on January 29, 1998 after the solemnization of marriage with the appellant by the court of Shri Amar Dutt, the then district judge, Chandigarh, in case Manjeet Kaur versus Ravinder Singh alias Lali. As such, there was concealment of fact by the respondent regarding her earlier marriage, which has caused mental torture to the appellant as well as his family members. As such, decree for annulment of marriage was prayed for. Stop. Over.